So today I decided to get this Ecoflow River2 portable power station. So I'm going to unbox it and see what exactly in this box. So for power station, okay, so we live in a place that we have constant power outages, so it makes sense to get a power station. And also these things are actually designed for those who do camping, and with the nature of our job, most of the time we are sites, and some of the sites even doesn't have electricity, so it makes sense to get this power station to help us in our daily hustle or living. Okay, so this is what is in the box. I have this here, that's Ecoflow River2 quick start guide. And then there's there's the power station itself. It's very light, portable, very portable. So it's just 3.5 kg. And then what do I have? Okay, so there's the power cord to connect it to your socket outlet for charging the power station. And there's a 12 volts DC cable. Okay, so this usually for so today I am unboxing this Ecoflow River2 portable power station, or what some people call it solar generator. And so I'm going to see what is in this box. Actually, I've seen a whole lot of videos about this particular product on YouTube. Okay, so there's this Ecoflow River2 quick start guide, that's a user manual. And then there's the power station itself, so it's very portable. It has this handle, very portable. It's just about 3.5 kg. It's less than 4 kilograms. Yeah, so it's very portable. It has this port here, that's where you use AC electricity to charge. And then you have this for DC 12 volts, that's for car charging. Let me see what is here. Okay, so here you have your standard UK standard 30 amps socket outlet here. You have USB-A, another USB-A, and USB Type-C. And then there's a digital screen to show you what is going on. And then this DC on power, or this the port here. This what for DC, that's DC direct current. Okay, so let me get this accessories as well. Okay, so there's the DC charging cable, and then there's the AC charging cable.